Iginit ng Malacanang na hindi karuwagan ang ipinakita ng mga Filipino peacekeepers na nakadestino sa Golan Heights. Ito ang sagot ng palasyo kasunod ng binitiwang pahayag ni Indian General Iqbal Singh Singha na maituturing na pagiging duwag ang ginawang aksyon ng mga sundalong Pilipino nang makasagupa ang Syrian rebels. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, ginawa lamang ng tropa ang nararapat, ngunit pamunahin pa rin trabaho ng mga ito na mapanatili ang kapayapaan. Ipinaubaya na rin ng palasyo sa Department of Foreign Affairs ang gagawing hakbang ukol dito.
Peacekeepers are there to keep the peace between Israel and Syria. What you have in the situation on the ground in the Golan Heights is that there's a third-party non-state that intervened, meaning the Syrian rebels. And so the rules of engagement changed in the sense that while the peacekeepers are not supposed to take any offensive operation, however, they were attacked. And so they would have to defend themselves. This is a situation that was apparent and was obvious in the situation between the Syrian rebels and the Philippine troops. And we believe that, and we're very certain that our Philippine troops, our Filipino peacekeepers, made the right decision. They were running low on ammo, and so it was not something imaginable for our armed forces, our peacekeepers, to surrender themselves.